Hello everyone, this is Parvita Balani. Today I am going to explain you that how to make the timetable in MS Excel. For that, first of all, you have to take the blank document. Now here I am going to write the heading. I am going to give the heading that is timetable. Timetable I am making for the class 5, so I am writing timetable class 5. Okay. Now I want to merge this in one row. Okay, for that I have to select the cells or the rows or the columns till where I want to merge it. Okay, if I will select whole row, then it will merge till the end. Okay, now I am clicking on this alignment. Here we are having merge and center, so I'm going to click on this merge and center. So it has merged and it is in the center only. I want to change the font style, so I'm going to change the size of the fonts, so I'm changing it. Give the color if I want to give, if you want, so I'm giving the color. Okay, got it. Now here I'm going to write the days. Okay, so I'm writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, here I'm writing the numbers like first period, second period, third period, okay, fourth period, and then fifth period. Okay, here after a second period we are having a recess. So here again I'm going to merge this and will write a recess here. Let me write first. Okay, and then now I'm going to merge it. Merge and center like this. Change the color, change the font style, change the size of the fonts also. Okay, got it. I'm taking the 4 lectures only. Okay, here I'm going to write the subjects. Okay, then third period, last Hindi. Here I'm taking maths and English. Last lecture of Wednesday. Here I'm taking Hindi. Here I'm taking art and craft. Here I'm taking maths. Here I'm taking computer again. VE means value education. Here we can take drawing class. Okay, or here again we can take suppose maths, and here we can take the instead of drawing we can take English. Okay. So this is my timetable. Now I'm going to align it in the center. All columns I'm going to align in the center only, like this. I have to select it first and then align like this. Okay. Got it? Now here I want to write subjects. This also I want to change the font size, font colors and font style. Giving the size 22 and color I am giving red. Now I want it in whole column, it would be merge. So I am keeping it merge and center. Now if suppose you want to write your text vertically or horizontally, you can change it, okay, with the help of orientation from here. I want to rotate my text up, see, like this. Okay, now I will merge it again. Till this column I want to merge it, so I'm merge and center like this. Now see, still it is at down. Why? Because alignment is set it is at the bottom align, but I want center align, so I am keeping it, or middle align, so I will keep it in the middle. Got it? So like this we can do. Wait a minute. Now I want to wait. First merge it again, merge and center, text up align and in the middle. Okay. I can change this also, I can make it bold. I can change the font style of the days. Okay, like this. Got it? Now you can increase the size of the columns with the drag, each and every column like this. Okay, we can set the border also. First we have to select it like this. Now go to the font and border is on all borders we have to select. See, all borders it has. Now we can give the background color also. Suppose I want to give the background color in this subjects column. So take it, you have to keep your fill color and give the background color like this. Here also you can give the background color like this. In this whole table also you can give. Suppose I want to give the days a different background color. Suppose like this, yellow. Here I will give the different background color. I will give green. Here also I will give green. Kind of you can do this kind of timetable you can make. Green. Now this recess column you can give the different color, like suppose you want to give a red color because it is already okay. Like this you can make your timetable. Okay. Now we are going to save this file. So for that we have to click on the file. We have to click on save option. Where you want to save your file, we have to browse from here. But suppose I want to select desktop, so it is available here. So I'm selecting desktop. Now enter a file name. So I'm writing timetable. Okay. And then click on the save option. My file has saved already. Got it?